Let's make some healthy and delicious dry fruit chocolate cups that everyone will love. I am using California Walnuts and Almonds from GGT Foods along with naturally sweet diabetic friendly Ajwa Dates. Start by removing the seeds from the dates and blending them into a smooth paste. Transfer the paste to a bowl. Blend the walnuts and almonds into a fine powder and then mix it along with the date paste. Shape the mixture into small balls and then roll them in roasted sesame seed. Once done, place them in a muffin tray and press the center with a honey dipper stick. Add melted chocolate to the center and refrigerate for 15 to 20 minutes or until set. Your healthy chocolate cups are ready to enjoy.